information are already with you all. I sent you all an email.
Draft notification to declare Maimole Lake as a wetland, as published in the official gazette of 28 September 2023. I was here today to express my appreciation and support for the draft notification of the Maimole Lake as a wetland under the wetland rules. I put forth my points primarily in the ecological and environmental point of view, that conservation of this lake as a wetland is very important for us to mitigate the threats of climate change and sea level rise and other natural disasters that are on the anvil. I also pointed out several international studies that have been conducted, which show that parts of Vasco town, especially in the town area, will be submerged in water by the year 2100. That is another 60-70 years from now. So I pointed out that conservation of this lake is very important to mitigate these threats. I also pointed out that this is important for water quality regulation, because there are a lot of drinking water wells along the periphery of the Maimole Lake in town Mangur, which the water quality has been deteriorating over a period of time. And if the lake gets cleaned up and the water gets cleaned up, automatically the quality of drinking water in these natural drinking water wells which are there, they will also improve. Lastly, what I pointed out was that yes, there is a issue of a concern of the property owners along the periphery of the lake, that there will be restriction on the development in their properties. So what I suggested to the grievance committee to communicate or to recommend to the Wetlands Authority that they should look at classification of wetlands in Goa at least, because just like how we have in CRZ, they should have a classification of wetlands where urban wetlands are looked at differently and rural wetlands in pristine areas are looked at differently. Maimole Lake, mind you, there is already very dense population and dense development along the zone of influence and along the periphery. So you cannot, it cannot be a one size fits all, because the wetland rules are applicable to the whole of India. You cannot have one size to fit the whole of the country. So one has to make exceptions. In the past, the central government has given a very sympathetic, taken a very sympathetic view with regard to Goa's problems. We have seen it in the amendment made to the CRZ notification. We have seen it in the amendment made to the Forest Act, where now some small-scale development is permitted in private forest areas. So therefore, I suggested that a similar effort ought to be made by the Wetlands Authority with the central government and get some kind of a relief for the development along the peripheral, or that is the zone, area of influence of the urban wetlands in Goa. Some states have their own wetland laws. For example, I gave the instance of West Bengal, I gave the instance of Kerala, I gave the example of Manipur, which have got their own wetland acts. So I suggested that in line, keeping in mind the provisions of the wetland rules, the state government of Goa could consider enacting such a law exclusively for urban wetlands in the state of Goa, which is also another way, in addition to classification of wetlands for Goa. This could also be another way to provide relief to the people living in the vicinity of the wetland.
Basically, कितें जाला आतां हे wetland आतां जे notification येयल्लें, एक draft notification येयल्लें last year 23rd September 2023 notification येयल्लें, wherein the entire Maimole stretch was declared as a wetland. When I say the Maimole stretch, meaning right from Tatkole Dorun, Maimole Dorun, right up to Tanya Hotel, entire thing was declared as a wetland. तो एक हे जाल्लो आनी तेजे उपरांत बफर झोनूय आहलो, 50 मीटर बफर झोन. तर हितून अफेक्टेड कोण जाले? अफेक्टेड जाले जे फार्मर आहले, कोमदाद ऑल्सो वॉज अ पार्टी, कोमदाद जे शेत ओन द फील्ड्स, टेनंट्स आहले, एग्रीकल्चरल टेनंट्स आहले, तितूनय थोडे प्रायवेट टेनंट्स, प्रायवेट म्हळ्यार प्रायवेट फील्ड ओनर्सूय आहले. आनी देर वॉज द बफर लँड, buffer of 50 meters that was marked on the plan. In that, if you see Maimole, around that field, सगळ्यांची घरां आहे in the buffer. सगळ्यांची घरां आहे. Many houses are there existing. आणि थोडे जे लँड ओनर आहे, थोडे आहे भाटकार आहे, जे तेमी घरां बांदू नये. म्हणजे तेमचे जागे आहे, पण तेमी अजूनही बांदू नये. So with that notification, what happened was, there was a kind of, in people's mind, obviously when you read the notification, survey numbers were put, and it was, as far as this wetland is concerned, the buffer area, landowners, they were fear. There was a fear. Obviously, fear will be there. कित्याक तुजो जागो तो थोड्यांनी घेयला. Some people own it, ancestral, it's ancestral land. So that was one part. And then came the other part of the farmers. Now there's the issue of also the ODP. If you see the ODP that is there, ODP shows one part as a water body, one part as a field. Now the entire thing has been shown as a wetland. Per se, I was the councillor of that area. Even my plots are there. My own personal zaga, personal, my family plots are there over there. I've actually, as far as this is concerned, wetland, everybody, nobody is saying they are against the wetland. Even I am not against the wetland. I support the wetland. In fact, the first meeting that took place in my place, where the MLA came, Daji came over to with the biodiversity people. We sat together. He explained what he was looking at. We had our reservations. What was our reservation? एक reservation ये आणले की बाबा लोकांचे कितें? What about the people? What about the farmers? So he gave an assurance that as far as farmers are concerned, they will be allowed to continue with their farming activities. As far as the landowners are concerned, their land rights will always remain. But my basic thing is, and I have already put it across to him again now when I was sitting with, and we were sitting with the biodiversity people, जे लोकांचे जागे आहे, तेमकां earlier as per TCP permission, TCP rules, आता जरी तर S1 zone, माझो plot S1 zone. So I should be permitted to construct as of that date, 23rd September, whatever the rules permitted me, I should be allowed. Because my plot has always been there in existence. The fact that I did not build on my plot, that's not my fault. Maybe I didn't have the money, so many people didn't have the money. थोड्याची घरां आहेत, तेमकां वयर बांदपा जाय, तेमकांय allow करपा जाय. MLA has promised, even the biodiversity, they have said, board, Dr. Pradeep is there, he's also said he's going to put all these suggestions on the top. Coming to the, as far as the farmlands are concerned, the farmers part. If you look at the ODP, one part is there, which is the Maimole part this side, where from the Kabristan right up to Datkode. In the ODP, it is shown as a water body. There is a particular part over here which is shown as a farm, meaning from Tanya Hotel right up to the Kabristan. There also people have come, they put in their objection saying that that is a paddy field. How can you show a paddy field as a wetland? Because they have given their justification saying that NIO had done their survey. But there are people who are in the zone of influence, who are in the buffer. They are also having a problem. They म्हणटाय बाबा हे field तुम्ही जरी तर दाखोवपाक शकता paddy field जाल्यार आमी हितून फसले. So there are lots of issues. I hope things get sorted out. Everybody's put their suggestions, everybody's put their observations. Earlier people had put their suggestions. Today is the public grievances. They've taken the people's whatever suggestions people have. It's going to come up again tomorrow. But per se, most of the people, nobody is against the wetland. Even I am not against the wetland. But only thing is, people should not suffer, farmers should not suffer, landowners should not suffer.
There should be more clarity.
Clarity is required. आता तुम्ही म्हणला जे बफर आहे ते 50/5 करतले अशें म्हणला. That happens, very good. As far as the farmers are concerned, if it was basically why farmers cannot, तेमी farming कित्याक करपा जायना? नेवी आसलेले, नेवीन वाट लायली. मांगरांतले फार्माचे नेवीन वाट लायली. रेल्वेन वाट लायल्या. That has to be rectified. If that is rectified, farmer जे आहे, they can start farming again. And one thing that they have promised is they'll allow the farmers to continue with their farming, which I think is a good thing.
So as
but
long as the
in the
grievances,
present situation, with water filled up, can they do farming? That's another question. So that water that is filled up has to be dried up. That is important. So hopefully everything gets sorted out in the interest of everybody concerned, whether it's the people. And we also have to look at it that as far as the environment is concerned, it's important. So we have to look ahead, we have to look at the future.
देव बरें करूं म्हणटा डॉक्टर प्रदीप सर मुखार ताका हांवें एक ताका एक रिक्वेस्ट तांकां फॉरवर्ड केल्ली, मेल केल्ली तांकां की ही ग्रिव्हन्सनाची हियरिंग जी आसा ती वास्कोन दवरची, जेणे करून आमच्या वास्कोच्या लोकांक आनी खंय तरी वचून म्हणजे पणजे वचनाल्यार तेंचे आनी खंय जाग्याचेर वचून करपाक मातशी डिफिकल्टी जावपाची. सो पयले खातीर हांव तांचें देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. तितून भितर वास्कोच्या आमदारांनी आमकां ती हांगासर हियरिंग दवरपा लागून तोय तेंच्यांनी हेल्प केल्ली आसा. सो फर्स्ट थींग हांव तेजें देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. जशें तुमचे कडेन फेडरीक आमच्या संदेश केली तो उलयल्लो आसा. बेसिकली वेटलँडाचो एक प्रपोजल वेटलँड करचो म्हणून आमचे बायोडायवर्सिटी मॅनेजमेंट कमिटीचो सुद्दां असलोलो इन द इयर 2020 इन द मंथ ऑफ ऑक्टोबर आमची जेन्ना बायोडायवर्सिटी कमिटी आसली तेंच्यांनी सुद्दां हो प्रपोजल आमी त्या टायमाचेर फॉरवर्ड केल्लो आनी जे मायमोळेम लेक ऑन द ODP जी मायमोळेम लेक आसा ती लेक वेटलँड करची म्हणून आमी एक रिक्वेस्ट केली. आतां NIOचो रिपोर्ट येयल्या उपरांत तेंच्यांनी जी आतां प्लेस दोनी जे मायमोळेम फिल्ड्स एज वेल एज मायमोळेम लेक जी आयडेंटिफाय केल्ली आसा तेज्या लागून ते जे लोन लँड आमचे ओनर्स म्हणटा थंय कितें आसा झोन ऑफ इन्फ्लुएन्स म्हणजे वेटलँड एरिया आहा तितून भितरले जे आमचे फार्मर आसूं न्ही किंवा लँड ओनर आसूं न्ही तशेंच बफर जे आहा 50 मिटर तितून भितर एक्जिस्टींग घरां आसूं न्ही किंवा लँड तेचेले लँड ओनर आसूं न्ही तेंचे इश्यूज कितें आहा तांकां आयज बरी पेशंट हियरींग आमचे डॉक्टर तेंच्यांनी दिल्ली आसा. वास्कोचो आमदार स्वताहून आपूण आयज ह्या ग्रिव्हन्स सेलाचे हियरिंगाक स्वता आपूण बसलो ते आयकपा खातीर. ते एक पळोवंक बरें दिसलें की लोकांचे जे इश्यूज आहा ते आयकपाक आमदार रेडी आसा म्हणून आनी तो हांगा बसलेलो सुद्दां आसा. सो ओवरऑल पळोवपाक गेल्यार जाल्यार एक पेशंट हियरींग दिल्ली आसा. फक्त आमची बायोडायवर्सिटी जी कमिटी आसा तेजे तर्फे म्हाजी फक्त एक रिक्वेस्ट हांवें ऑलरेडी तांकां फॉरवर्ड केल्ली आसा. सो थ्रू मिडिया ऑल्सो आय वॉन्ट टू से की जे लोकांची एक्जिस्टींग घरां आहा तांकां ती रिपेर करपाक दिवची. जे लोकांचे जागे आसा बफरान ते तांकां हांचे रुल्स एक्जिस्टींग रुल्सा प्रमाणे MPDA आनी सगळे तेंचे कितें आहा त्या प्रमाणे तांकां फुडें वचून परमिशनां दिवची की कन्स्ट्रक्ट करपाक लागून जे FIR तांकां मेळटा तांकां FIR दिवचे. जे फार्मर आसा त्या फार्मरांक पयलींच्यान जे कल्टिवेट करपाचो आतां कल्टिवेट करपाक सोदतात तांकां कल्टिवेट करपाक दिवचे. तेंचे रायट्स आनी प्रिविलेजीस जे आसा ते तांकां पयलीं कशें फार्मरांक मेळटा ते तांकां मेळचे आनी कोणाकूच त्रास न जाता आमी हे वेटलँड सांबाळपाक जाय. हांव पर्सनली हे वेटलँडचे सपोर्टान आसा. म्हाका जाय वेटलँड कित्याक तुमकां खबर आसा की हालीं फर्स्ट टायम ह्या वर्सा इतको पावस पडला पूण फ्लडींग जावंक ना. कारण कित्या खातीर हे सगळें उदक जें आहा ही आमची कॅचमेंट एरिया आसा. मायमोळे लेक जी आसा ही आमची कॅचमेंट एरिया आसा आनी जर ही फाल्यां आमी ही सांबाळूंक पावना जाल्यार आमी फुडल्या फ्युचराक आमी कितें दितले. सो हो जो प्लॅनिंग आहा वेटलँडाचो हो फ्युचराचो आसा. सो तेज्या लागून हे सगळें लक्षांत दवरून फार्मरांकूय सांबाळपाक जाय, बफरांतल्या प्रॉपर्टीज ओनर्सांकूय सांबाळपाक जाय, जी कोणाची एक्जिस्टींग घरां तीय सांबाळपाक जाय आनी आमकां सगळ्यांक इट शूड बी इन्क्लुसीव सगळ्यांक घेवन कोणाक त्रास न करता हो वेटलँड डिक्लेअर जावपाक.
सो आयज हांव म्हज्या क्लायंटाचे बिहाफ appear जालो बिफोर द ग्रीवन्सीस कमिटी ऑफ द गोवा वेटलँड्स ऑथॉरिटी आनी आमी दोन इश्यूज कमिटीचे फुडल्यान आमी दवरले. फर्स्टली इज वी रिफर्ड टू दी NIA report itself. It says that the Maimone Lake is 60% fallow land and only 13% if I'm not wrong water body, and therefore it does not come within the definition of wetland under the wetland rules, because the wetland rules say that paddy field is exempted from being a wetland. So what I showed was through survey plans आमी दाखयले की मायमोणे लेक wetland न्ही, it is a paddy field. कित्याक सर्वे प्लॅनाचेर आसा की they were the strips, the paddy strips were there, and it is not a part of the wetland. Now what the committee told me is that this study was conducted recently and in the last 10 years, therefore they could not appreciate this evidence. So I put this before them because if Maimone Lake is determined and is declared as a wetland, it affects my right to use my property, and which is also my human right to use the property the way I want to use my property, the way I want to use it.
Constitutional right.
Yes. So therefore I have put this before the committee, and I hope that they take due cognizance of it and at least appreciate that argument and make sure that Maimone is not declared as a wetland, because along with me many others also will be affected by this declaration.
So will it be easy for construction?
About the construction, what happens is that once it is a wetland, okay, just like how in CRZ you are not allowed to develop within a certain buffer zone, same thing will happen in a wetland also. So that is why what is going to happen is, when it is not a wetland in the first place, how can you restrict me from using my property the way I want to use it? So this is the main concern that I had, that I put before the committee, and I hope they will give some. They told me that they would refer my grievance to the authority. So I hope to present this before the authority as well.
हियरिंग सद्या हियरिंग बरें जालां, शांतीकायेन जालां. आज MLA बी आसलेलो, सगळे लोकांनी बरे भाशेन शांतीकायेन आपलें हियरिंग दिलां. सगळें सांगलां आपलें दूख कितें आहा तें सांगलां, आनी डॉक्टर प्रदीप बरो शांतीकायेन ताणें घेयला हियरींग. डॉक्टर प्रदीपान वेटलँडाचो डॉक्टर आसा प्रदीप, ताणें बरें हें शांतीकायेन हियरींग घेयला. म्हाका दिसता आउटकम बरो येतलो. आमकां इतल्यान सांगपा जाय की एग्रीकल्चर परमिटेड म्हणटा तो, वेटलँडान एग्रीकल्चर परमीट जायना. वेटलँड इज अ वेटलँड, एग्रीकल्चर इज एग्रीकल्चर. एग्रीकल्चरान वेटलँडान एग्रीकल्चर रोवपा जायना, शेत रोवपा जायना, कितें पीक काडपा जायना. उदकान कशें पीक काडटलो तूं. आनी एकूच म्हजी मागणी आहा आमच्या वेटलँड ऑथॉरिटी कडेन, डॉक्टर प्रदीपा कडेन, की आमकां रेल्वेचे तो नाला ब्लॉक केला रिस्टोर, तो आमकां ते ओपन करून दिवचो, उदक वयचें आनी तशें सुवेज ती बंद करची आनी आमकां आमचें शेत पोतें रिस्टोर करून दिवचें. रिस्टोर मागीर पोतें चालू करून दिवचें. आमकां जाय खुशेन आमी शेत रोयतले. हांव शेतकार, आमकां शेत रोवपा जाय. कित्याक आतां सरकार शेताक बरो हें दिता, बरो शेतकाराक फुडें वच म्हणटा. आमी फुडें वयतले कित्याक आमकां 97 हे सगळें प्रॉब्लम जाला. रेल्वे लागून जाला. म्हगे डॅडी लॅटर बी केलोलें सगळें रेल्वेक आनी ते सुवेज येवपा लागली. नेवी येयली 1990, तेन्ना सगळी सुवेज नेवीची येवपा लागली. ताका लागून हे प्रॉब्लम जाला. आमकां सरकाराचें कांय प्रॉब्लम ना, सरकाराचें आमकां आड उडयनाय, पूण आमकां आमचें शेत रिस्टोर करून दिया. हांव सीएमाक म्हणटा, सीएम बरो मनीस, तो आमकां दिसता हें शेत रिस्टोर करून दितलो.
पब्लीक हियरिंगाचो फर्स्ट दीस आनी सगळे लोक हांगा आयिल्ले, आपले जे कितें प्रॉब्लेम्स आसा ते घालताले आनी हांव एज एन MLA लोकांचे ते आयकपाक आयिल्लो, म्हणजे कितें मेजर हें आसा. एक सगळें पळयतकूच अशें दिसलें की सगळे जे हांवें म्हज्या ऑब्जेक्शनान घाल्यात तेच इश्यू आसा. म्हणजे वेटलँडाचेर बेसिकली कोणाक ऑब्जेक्शन ना, पूण आपली घरां आसा ती फाल्यां बांदपाक मेळची, हो तांचो मेजर कन्सर्न आसा, वीच इज ऑलरेडी प्रोटेक्टेड अंडर देयर रुल्स एंड रेग्युलेशन्स. म्हणजे खंयचे एक्झिस्टींग स्ट्रक्चर वीच इज शोन ऑन द सर्वे मॅप ताका वयर डेव्हलपमेंट करपाक कांय ना, सब्जेक्ट टू नॉट कमर्शियल रेजिडेंशियल हें करपाक कांय ना. आनी बेसिकली चडशे प्रॉब्लेम्स हेच आशिल्ले. थोडे जे आमचे शेतकार भाव आशिल्ले तांचे हे आशिल्ले की शेत भितर करपाक येवचें म्हणून. दॅट वी हॅव ऑलरेडी क्लॅरिफायड की वेटलँडान फार्मींग इज अलावड एंड दॅट यू ऑल कॅन डू फार्मींग. ते हांवें सांगूना, तांणी सांगलें, तांचे सगळे रुल्स एंड रेग्युलेशन्स तांणी सांगले. बेसिकली एक 2-3 इश्यू आशिल्ले. एक तर घरां आमकां फाल्यां बांदूंक मेळची, एक तर फार्मींग थंय आमकां करपाक दिवचें. आनी हें करता आसतना सपोज थंय सिवरेज कोण सोडटा नाजाल्यार आनी कोण सोडटा जाल्यार तुमी ते सगळें इमिडिएटली स्टॉप करपाचें, हें करचें. सो हे सगळें हांवें म्हजेय ऑब्जेक्शनांनी घालां. जेन्ना म्हजो टर्न येतलो तेन्ना हांवूय उलयतलो. म्हाका सगळ्यांक एकूच एश्युरन्स करपा जाय, जशें हांवें सकाळीं सांगलां, की कोणाकूच दुखोवप नाजाल्यार कोणाकूच भायर मारून आमकां थंय वेटलँड करपाचें ना. आमचो हेतू इतलें आसा की आज जे एक वॉटर बॉडी उरल्या नाजाल्यार एक आमचे कडेन एक लंग आमचो एक एक्टीव आसा तो तसोच दवरपाचो आनी जे लोकांक बरें जाय एक एरिया कशी एक बरी एरिया करची. आनी हें करता करता म्हणजे वेटलँडूय जालें, नाजाल्यार कितें जातलें की आनी थोडे 10 वर्सांनी थंय आनी एक एन्क्रोचमेंट जावन आनी एक बस्ती जातली. सो हें आमकां करपाचें ना. त्या खातीर हांव सगळ्या लोकांक परत एकदां एश्युरन्स करता, जे फार्मर्स आसा तांचे खातीर आय वील फायट सी दॅट फार्मींग इज अलावड इन द डिस्ट्रिक्ट. सो फाल्यां कोणाकूय दिसता की आपूण फार्मींग करचें म्हणून ही इज व्हेरी मच वेलकम टू डू फार्मींग. ते 4 म्हयने फार्मींग केलें सपोज आनी बाकीचें सपोज उदक भरून उरता, देन वी कॅन डिसायड वॉट टू डू. बोटींग हांवें म्हणिल्लें आनी बोटींग कोणा खातीर म्हणिल्लें, फार्मर्सां खातीरूच म्हणिल्लें. बोटींग हांवें म्हणिल्लें तें कोमनीदाराच्या मेन जी कोमनीदारान हांकां ते शिरो दिल्ल्यो पयलीं. सो कोमनीदाराक कितें रेवेन्यू येवचो म्हणून हांवें म्हणलें बोटींग करून कोमनीदार कॅन अर्न सम रेवेन्यू, फार्मर्स कॅन अर्न सम रेवेन्यू. सो इन ऑल भायल्या लोकांक इनवॉल्व न करता लोकलायज हें उरचें जाय. आनी इवन जेन्ना हे सगळें डिक्लेअर जातलें म्हणजे फाल्यां सपोज सगळें वेवस्थीत जालें आनी डिक्लेअर जालें वेटलँड म्हणून, जाल्यार दीस वेटलँड मॅनेजमेंट कमिटी म्हणून आसतली वीच वील इन्क्लूड म्हणजे अशी चेअरपर्सन धरा, MLA धरा, आय डोंट नो हू इज द डिस्ट्रिक्ट, बट जे लोकल मनीस आसतले, फार्मर्स असोसिएशनाचो एक मनीस आसतलो नाजाल्यार आनी त्या घरां आसा तांचो एक मनीस आसतलो आनी दे वील मॅनेज एवरीथींग. सो ती कोणा कडेन ऑथॉरिटी कडेन आसपाना. ती मॅनेजमेंट कमिटी वील प्रपोज वॉट एवर इज टू बी डन टू द ऑथॉरिटीज एंड ऑथॉरिटीज वील गिव दम द परमिशन. सो म्हाका दिसता हातूंत कोणेच हें जावपाची गरज ना. आनी आतां जी 15 नोटिफाय जाल्लीं आसा वेटलँडां थंय फार्मींग इज गोईंग ऑन अ बिग स्केल. म्हणजे पयलीं फार्मींग नाशिल्लें, वेटलँड डिक्लेअर जातकूच तें फार्मींग आनी जालें. आनी आज तुमी हांवें हें वाचतालो इवन फादर पॉल मॅक्स, हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा ताका, हें खरेंच तांकां खबर आसा वॉट इज द नीड ऑफ द आवर एंड ही इज ऑल्सो सेट दॅट दीस शूड बी नोटिफायड म्हणून एज अ वेटलँड. सो इन ऑल हांगा पसून जो सूर येता भितरल्यान जे लोक उलयतात दे आर नॉट अगेन्स्ट वेटलँड आनी दे आर सेंग कोणे तरी एकट्यान इन्वेस्टिगेट करपाचो तांकां प्रयत्न केल्लो बट एवरीबडी इज फॉर वेटलँड पूण आमचे रायट्स प्रोटेक्ट कर म्हणटा इतलेंच